Well, I thought I was fast until I got on a rail track. On the street, you really feel fast, but the moment you hit the track, you realize that you're riding with a bunch of squids, and the reality hits real quick. Biggest mistakes is braking too early. I would kind of get scared, and there's actually markers on the track. It'll say 3, 2, 1, and those are your braking marks. Second thing, just bad lines, not hitting apexes, not understanding the apex. And my third biggest thing I would say is just hesitation, not being kind of in that race mode of full focus. You're there to do some damage in a good way, right? You're there to prove some people wrong. Now hopping into the 3 biggest things so far that have really made me shave off as many seconds as possible, going from beginner to a better beginner. Huge thing is very smooth inputs. You're gonna save your brakes, you're gonna save your tires. Second big thing is looking all the way through the corner. And the really hard part for me, coming from dirt bikes, is trusting the lean and trusting the tires as much as you have to on these bikes. So as you can see, I've got a long way to go, but that is the point of this sport, right? There's always something to improve on. There's always something to get better at. Ongoing training, which I love. I always love trying to beat my last lap times. I love pushing the limit, and I love being one with the bike. So on the next track day I go to, I'm gonna do a full-blown edit of the night before, all the way through packing up and leaving for the day. So just stay tuned. Thanks.